Understand the difference between hot wallets, online, and cold wallets, offline. Consider using a secure wallet to store your cryptocurrencies. Understanding wallets is essential for managing and securing your cryptocurrencies. Here's an explanation of the concepts of hot wallets, cold wallets, and the importance of secure storage. Hot wallets, online. Hot wallets are digital wallets connected to the internet. They are convenient for active trading and quick access to your cryptocurrencies. Examples: hot wallets include software wallets, desktop, mobile, or web-based wallets, and exchange wallets provided by cryptocurrency exchanges. Convenience versus security. Hot wallets are convenient for daily transactions, but they are more susceptible to online hacking and cyber threats since they are connected to the internet. Cold wallets, offline. Cold wallets are physical devices or systems that store cryptocurrency offline, disconnected from the internet. This isolation enhances security by protecting the private keys from online threats. Examples: hardware wallets, physical devices like Ledger Nano S, Ledger Nano X, or Trezor, and paper wallets, physical printouts of your private and public keys, are common types of cold wallets. Security benefits: cold wallets are less vulnerable to hacking and online attacks, making them an ideal choice for long-term storage of significant amounts of cryptocurrency. Secure wallet considerations: private keys ownership. Ensure that you have full control of your private keys. If you don't own the private keys, you may not have full control over your cryptocurrency. Reputation and reviews. Choose wallets from reputable providers with positive user reviews. Research the security features of the wallet and the company behind it. Backup and recovery. Set up proper backup mechanisms for your wallet's recovery seed or key. In case of device loss or failure, this ensures you can recover your funds. Regular updates. Keep your wallet software and firmware up to date to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Choosing the right wallet depends on your specific needs and preferences. For everyday transactions, a hot wallet may be suitable, while a cold wallet is recommended for secure, long-term storage of larger amounts. Always prioritize security measures and stay informed about best practices in cryptocurrency storage.